Good morning, students. Now, in data handling chapter, previously we have discussed mean, mode, and median. Now, mean means that sum of all observation divided by the number of observation, we will get the mean. Another name for mean is the average or the arithmetic mean. Next is the mode. Mode means that a number which is occurring the most, or we can say in another word maximum number of the times a number which occurs is known as the mode. Now come to the median. Previous median, two ways are there when the number of observations are odd and number of observations are even. Now we have discussed already number of observations odd. Now today we will discuss when number of observation is an even. Arrange the observation in the given data in ascending or descending order, but generally we will arrange in the ascending order. When number of observation is even, we have two middle observations, either starting from right or from the left, and average of these two observation is median of the observation. We can understand with this diagram 6 arrows given to us, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now it is length is in the increasing order. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, first, second, third, fourth is third and fourth, these two values. So median is their mean. If we'll add these two observation and divide by the 2, why we'll divide by the 2? Because means that number of observation, sum of observation divided by the number. So 2 observations are, we will divide by the 2. So if n is the number of observation which is an even, therefore the median is an average of. Median is an average of about 2 numbers. So median is equal to n by 2. N by 2 simple words means half of the observation. If 10 observation means the 5, 12 given means 6. And then again make the half of them and 1 is added to that. So suppose 10 observation, so 10 upon 2 5, 10 upon 2 5 plus 1 6. So whichever observation we will get it and one more added, these two observations divided by the 2's. These two observations we will take from the datas and divide by the 2. Example, it is given. Find the median of the following data. These are the datas given to us. First we will arrange all the datas in the increasing order or ascending order. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10. So number of observations are 6, that is an even number. So mean of that n by 2. First we will make it a half. N by 2 means 6. 6 upon 2 means third observation. Third observation is the fourth. And then we will take n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 means again 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means third. Third plus 1 fourth means fourth observation. So observation is the required median. So third observation is the 4. Fourth observation is the 5. Means 2 observation, as I explained earlier, 2 arrows method. So 4 plus 5 divided by the 2. So 2 middle number we have taken. 4 plus 5, 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 means the 4.5. So it is always not necessary. The median will be always from the given number. Not necessary. May or may not be possible. Now questions, another examples to understand. Find the mean, median and mode of the following. Marks of the 15 students on a screening test out of the 20. Out of the 20 students got these marks as written there. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8, 11, 13, 15 and 18. So first we are going to calculate mean, arithmetic mean or average, sum of all observation divided by the number of observations. I have added all these observations in this method. These are the very small observations, so we can take the 4 5 observation together. If bigger are there, you can make a group pair over there, 2 number 3 number. So added together we got the 3 plus 23 plus 65 upon 15, because 15 is the number of observation. So 91 upon 15 answer is the 6.06. 6.06 is the mean, or we can say that average is there of the given marks of the students. Next is the mode. Mode means a number which is occurring the most, or in other words maximum number of times. That is, the mode is equal to 0, that is occurring, existing 3 times. From the data we can see that 1, 2, 3 times zeros are there. 5 is there, that is the 2 times 3 is there over the 2 times. So mode is the 3. Mode is the 0 that is occurring 3 times. Now median. Number of observation, that is the 15 students are there. So observation is the 15. So 15 is the odd. So we will use the formula n plus 1 upon 2. Formula is the n plus 1 upon 2. We will use it for the odd observation. 15 plus 1, 16 upon 2. 16 upon 2, that is the 8th observation when ascending order is there. So we will count it and take it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 is 8th observation, that is the 5. So median is equal to 8th observation is equal to 5. Another example, the ages in the years of 10 teachers of a school are given to us. These are the ages in the years of 10 teachers. First we have to calculate what is the age of the oldest teacher and youngest teacher. First arrange all these data given to us, arrange in the ascending order. So starting with the 23, 26, 28, so on up to the 54. So age of the oldest teacher is equal to 54 years. Youngest teacher, age of the youngest teacher equal to 23 years. Now next part, what is the range of the ages of the teacher? Range means that highest, or the here is the highest minus lowest, or we can use the word oldest minus youngest teacher. Oldest is the 54-year-old, youngest one is the 23-year-old. Difference of them is the 31 year. So 31 year is the range of the age of the teachers. Next part, mean age of the teacher. Mean means average or the arithmetic mean. Sum of all observation, that is ages, divided by number of observation. 10 teachers are there. I wrote it over there and making a pair over there. Pairs are there, so easily we can add it. Now these two added 49, added these to 60, that 68, 78 plus 9. Again pairs are there. 49 plus 60, 109, plus this one added 146 plus 90. Now directly added all these three, divided by the 10 because number of observations are the 10. So 350 divided by the 10, that will give you answer in the years. 10 teachers are there. 35 years is the mean age of the 10 teachers are there. Example. Again, the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. Maximum marks is the 25. That for the 15 students got these are the data, that marks out of the 25. Now find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? So first we will arrange all these data in the ascending order, smallest to greatest. So start with the 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20. That is the 4 time. 23, 24, 25 and 25. So first part is that mode. Mode is equal to the 20, means that is the 4 times. Mode means the number which is occurring the most or the maximum number of the times is known as the mode. So 20 is the mode, 4 times. Now median. Because observations are 15. 15 is the odd observation. 15 is the odd observations. So that is the odd one. So we will use the formula n plus 1 divided by the 2. N is the 15. 15 plus 1, 16 upon 2. 16 upon 2 means the 8th observation when arranged in the ascending order. When I will count it from this one, from 5, 8th observation is, that is the 20. We'll get it, that 20 will be the 8th observation is there. So start from that one, we'll get that 20 is the median. So median is equal to 20, which is the 8th observation from the given data. He asked that are they same? Yes, mode and median are the same, that is 20 and 20. Mode is 20, median is also 20, so both the answers are the same. Now, another question which is related to the mean. Generally observations are given and we are going to add and divide by the number of observations. Here observations are not given, but the mean of 5 observation is given. Number of observations is the 5 and mean is given, but sum of all observations are missing. So 5 is multiplied by the 89, we will get the sum of all, 445. Instead of individual, we got the answer 445. But he described in this question, if one of the observation is wrongly taken, in this observation we have taken wrongly as a 64 instead of the 46. We have to take the 46, but we have taken 64. So difference of them should be subtracted and then taken the average. So correct mean is sum of all observation is equal to mean multiplied by the number of observation. 5 multiplied by 89 is the 445. Very, very important to understand. One number wrongly taken is equal to 64. Now subtract this number from the mean, from the sum of all of them. 445 minus 64 equal to 381. This 64 we have wrongly taken, we have subtracted. Now what is actual number given to us is the 46. So 46 will be added in this 381. So 381 plus 46. This is the sum of 4 observation. Fifth is the 46. So added together 427. Now this is the sum of all observation, that is the 5. So taken the mean 427 divided by the 5 and answer is the 85.4 is the mean is there. So important question, easy question but important to understand it. Thank you students. Practice all these type of the questions in the rough copy and practice it.